प्रधानमंत्री मोदीजीन कांय स्टेटमेंट केला ते भशेन आमच्या गोल्डाचे जो इफेक्ट आसा पळय न्ही तो पडपाक शकता. कित्याक चडशे कंज्युमर आतां तांणी स्टेटमेंट केलें म्हणल्यार भांगर घेनाका म्हणून न्ही वर्सभरा खातीर तो इफेक्ट पडपाक शकता. कित्याक सगळी आतां आमचे भांगराचे जे बिजनस आसा तो पर्टिक्युलरी शॉप रिलेटेड ना तुगेलो, बट हो बिजनस आसा तो फ्रॉम सारको सकयल्ले हितूंतल्यान ते वयर बसून आसा तुका. म्हणजे भांगर करता जाल्यार तितून तुगे कारागीर आसात तुगेले, मागीर सगळे तुगेले वर्कशॉप आसतात कळ्ळें न्ही, तितून कामगार असतात कळ्ळें, तेंचो इफेक्ट पडपाक शकता सगळो कळ्ळें न्ही. हो पूण आतां हो जो इफेक्ट आसा तो आतां इतले बेगीन कळपाचो ना, पूण इट वील टेक लिटल टायम कळ्ळें न्ही. ते बद्दल
तुमकां कितें दिसता ह्या हितून भांगराची रेट फुडें हाय वाडटली काय कमी जातली?
अशें समज तर हे सिच्युएशन तो पळोवपाक गेले आतां सद्याक तरी एक वर्स जाल्यार तुगेले तो प्रायस तुगेले वयर सकयल जायत आसा तुगेली. सो इन मुखार ह्या सिच्युएशनाक तुका भांगराची रायट आनी वाडपाचे चान्सीस अशे आसा चडशे म्हाका दिसता.
Patriotic voluntary appeal and not a binding legal restriction. So this appeal is a strategic move to conserve foreign exchange reserves, which amid geopolitical tensions in West Asia, which led to the increase in gold prices as well as crude prices. So this massive imports, gold imports, eventually leads to higher import bill, and increase in gold prices also increase in import cost. Psychologically, as far as the consumers are concerned, there can be a psychological impact on this decision. Consumers can pause their jewelry sales, and there can be a negative impact also, because there are a lot of other industries that depend on this jewelry trade, such as ancillary industries such as gems and stones, packaging industry, as well as artisan industry. And there can be footfall in revenue, in GST revenue. But the government is more concerned about current account deficit, and as far as the nation comes first, and as far as the national interest is concerned, we welcome the move. Losses in the sense, अजून तेजो impact आमकां अजूनय कळपाना इतले बेगीन. So we require time to assess the losses. But consumer तो हे डिसिजन कशें घेता, it all depends on the rate. So अजूनय तेजे losses कशे आमकां जातले, आतां in short period we won't be able to ascertain the losses.
So you have to pay the staff salary and all things.
There can be some impact on the business, because it all depends on the consumers. So how the consumers react to this particular decision.
And what do you think that price of gold will increase or decrease this situation?
Presently the prices are quite volatile, and there is a possibility of increasing gold prices in future.